Welcome back to Easy English Talk Podcast. Hello, friends. We're really happy you're here with us today, practicing English together. Every time you join us, you're taking one more step toward speaking English confidently, and that's something to feel proud of.
Hi everyone, I'm Mary, and I just want to say thank you for choosing to learn English with us today. We know your time is valuable, and we promise to make this lesson useful, simple, and enjoyable for you.
And I'm John. As always, our goal is to help you speak English naturally, not just understand it. We want you to feel comfortable using English in real-life situations, whether it's at school, at work, or when talking to people from different countries.
That's right, and today's topic is something many students dream about. We're going to talk about scholarships, how to understand them, how to talk about them in English, and how to apply for them step by step.
Yes, this is a very important topic. Many people want to study abroad or continue their education, but they worry about money. Tuition fees, rent, food, books, it can be expensive.
Exactly, and that's where scholarships come in. Scholarships can change your life. They can give you the opportunity to study in another country, meet new people, and build a better future.
So today, we're not just learning English, we're also learning something that can help you achieve your dreams.
And don't worry, we will use simple, clear English so beginners can understand easily. We will also explain new words step by step, just like always.
If you're excited about this topic, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more learners like you.
And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss our lessons. We post useful English conversations regularly to help you improve every day.
All right, are you ready to talk about scholarships in English?
Let's get started.
So, Mary, how are you today?
I'm doing really well today, John. I feel motivated and inspired.
That's great to hear. What made you feel inspired today?
Well, this morning, I was reading a story about a student who got a full scholarship to study abroad. It was such an amazing story.
Oh, I love stories like that. What happened in the story?
The student came from a small town and didn't have much money, but they worked very hard, studied every day, improved their English, and finally got a scholarship to study in another country.
That's really powerful. Stories like that show us that it's possible.
Exactly. It made me think many of our viewers might have the same dream.
Yes, I agree. And maybe they just need the right information and the right English to start.
That's why this lesson is so important.
Let's begin with a simple question. What is a scholarship?
That's a great place to start. A scholarship is money that helps students pay for their education.
And the best part is, you don't need to pay it back.
Yes, that's very important. A scholarship is not a loan. You don't have to return the money.
So, if someone asks you, what is a scholarship, you can say, a scholarship is financial support for students.
Or you can say, it is money given to students to help them study.
You can also explain it in a simple way. It helps students who cannot afford education.
That's very clear and easy to understand.
Now, let's talk about why students want scholarships.
Yes, this is something many people can relate to.
Education can be very expensive, especially in another country.
Yes, you have to pay for tuition, accommodation, food, transportation, and many other things.
So students apply for scholarships to reduce these costs.
Or sometimes to completely cover the costs. Some scholarships are full scholarships.
That means they pay for everything: tuition, living expenses, even travel.
Exactly. That's why many students dream of getting a scholarship.
You can say, I want a scholarship to support my studies.
Or, I need financial help to continue my education.
You can also say, I want to study abroad, but I need a scholarship. Now let's talk about applying for a scholarship. Yes, this is where things get real.
If you want to apply, you can say, I want to apply for a scholarship.
Or, I'm planning to apply for a scholarship next year.
Or even, I'm interested in applying for scholarships in different countries.
That sounds very natural.
What does apply mean, John?
Apply means to formally ask for something. You usually fill out forms, write documents, and send them.
So applying is like saying, I want this opportunity, and here is my information.
Exactly.
Now, John, what do students need when they apply?
Good question. Usually, students need several documents.
Yes, for example, transcripts.
A transcript is a document that shows your grades.
It shows how well you performed in school or a university.
Another important document is a recommendation letter.
That's a letter written by a teacher, professor, or employer.
They talk about your skills, your character, and your achievements.
It's like someone saying, "This student is very good, you should choose them."
Exactly.
And another important document is the personal statement.
Yes, this is one of the most important parts.
In a personal statement, you talk about yourself, your goals, your dreams, and your reasons for applying.
You explain why you deserve the scholarship.
Some students feel nervous about writing this.
That's normal, but don't worry. Keep it simple and honest.
Now, let's imagine a real situation.
Okay?
You want to ask a university about scholarships. What do you say?
You can say, "Hello, I would like to ask about scholarship opportunities."
Or, can you provide information about available scholarships?
That sounds polite and professional.
If they reply, you can say, "Thank you for your response."
Or, "I appreciate your help."
Now, let's talk about eligibility.
That's an important word.
Eligibility means whether you can apply or not.
You can ask, "Am I eligible for this scholarship?"
Or, what are the requirements?
Requirements are things you must have.
For example, good grades, English skills, or work experience.
Now let's talk about English requirements,
Many scholarships require English tests.
like IELTS or TOEFL,
You can say, "I have taken the IELTS exam."
or "My English level is intermediate."
Or even, "I am currently improving my English skills."
Now let's talk about deadlines.
Deadlines are very important.
A deadline is the last date to apply.
You can ask, "When is the deadline?"
Or say, "I will submit my application before the deadline."
If you are late, your application may not be accepted.
So always check deadlines carefully.
Now let's talk about emails.
Yes, writing emails is very important.
You can start with "Dear Sir" or "Madam."
Or, "Dear Admissions Office."
Then you write, "I am writing to inquire about scholarship opportunities."
To end the email, you can say, "Thank you for your time and consideration."
And "Best regards."
Now, let's talk about interviews.
Some scholarships require interviews.
In an interview, you may say, "I am passionate about my field of study."
Passionate means you really love something.
You can also say, "My goal is to study abroad and gain knowledge."
Or, "I want to use my education to help my community."
That's a very strong answer.
Yes, it shows purpose.
Now, let's review important words.
Scholarship, money for education.
Apply, to ask formally.
Deadline, last date.
Submit, to send officially.
Eligible, qualified.
These words are very important.
Now let's summarize.
Today, we talked about scholarships, applications, documents, emails, interviews, and useful phrases.
These are real-life English skills.
Now, it's your turn.
Our question of the day is,
Do you want to apply for a scholarship? Why or why not?
try to answer in English.
Even a simple answer is okay.
Practice is the key.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.
Keep practicing every day.
Believe in yourself.
You can achieve your dreams.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye.